Que lo que mi gente, welcome to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. On this episode we're making cheesecake flan. Let's go over the ingredients. I am using 5 eggs, 4 ounces of cream cheese, so this is 8 ounces, I'll need half of this. You need evaporated milk, condensed milk, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, about 10 spoons of sugar. Here in a saucepan, I am putting in half a cup of water. And let's go ahead and put our 10 tablespoons of sugar into the saucepan. Now the saucepan will go into the stove on high heat, and we're going to let it turn into caramel. And you'll know that it's ready when it turns into a dark brown color. I'll show you what it should look like. Okay, so here, let's put in our eggs. I added 1 pinch of ground cinnamon and a sprinkle of pure vanilla extract. Now let's put in our cream cheese. So there goes 4 ounces of cream cheese. Heat it. I have the oven preheating at 350 degrees. Once everything's ready, we'll pop it into the oven for 1 hour. While we wait on the caramel sauce, let's go ahead and blend this stuff together. Hey guys, one thing to remember is to keep an eye on your caramel sauce because it could burn quickly. It will turn black and it will have a bitter taste. You don't want to use it at that point. You'll have to throw it out and do it all over again. This is the color that you're looking for at this point. Now your caramel sauce is gonna go into a baking dish. Our mixture can now go in here. And don't burn yourself, this is extremely hot. Okay, now this is gonna go into the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. The last thing you guys gotta do is add water to your container here before you put it in the oven. Okay, so my cheesecake flan is ready to go in the oven, and I'll see you guys within 1 hour. Hey guys, so I just took my cheesecake flan out of the oven. Now it's going into the fridge for about 2 hours or 3, let it cool off, and then we'll flip it, and it will be done by then. Hey guys, so my cheesecake flan rested in the fridge for a few hours. Now let's go ahead and plate it. You'll need a butter knife, and go around the edges all around and make sure that you unstick it from the pan. You will grab a plate and put it over it, and then you'll flip it, and hopefully it comes out nice. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. OMG! Now that it's out of the pan, let's put some country style cherries. And here you have it guys, cheesecake flan. Happy Valentine's Day. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please go ahead and subscribe. Check out other recipes. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.